guys, it's Mari. Welcome and welcome back to my channel.
You know she come from the country. She don't afford Tommy. She can't afford Tommy.
Okay, so basically in today's video we are going to be trying mini twists. The only reason why I want to do this is 1, I'm lazy. 2, I'm gonna try again, and this time I'm gonna do a different method. 3, this was completely and utterly inspired by Lavishly Brit. If I could find like a video or a clip of her hair is long, my hair is nowhere near as long as hers, but I still want to try it anyway because it's cute. Put it up on the screen of her video. Will be linked down below in the description box. Looks so freaking good, and I was like, I want to try that. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. First off, what I'm gonna do is separate my hair into 4 sections. So boom, 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 and then I'm going to moisturize each section. So 1, 2, 3, 4. To moisturize my hair, I want to use the Beauty Untouched by SJ Creations Keratin Leave In conditioner. It's a detangler and a defrizz, even though I really don't need it. But for like a base, I guess you could say, I'm going to be using water. I'm going to start at the back and spray it and go throughout each section.
Missing someone with all your heart. Missing someone.
I'm done moisturizing my hair. Now it's time to blow dry my hair. I'm going to be using this is so old. This is the Ion Moisture Solutions Conditioning with tourmaline, whatever. It's a blow dryer. A blow dryer is a blow dryer, but it doesn't have a foam attachment to it, so I'm gonna have to use my dimmer brush to do it. I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna try and do these 2 sides off camera, and then try and do these 2 sides on camera so y'all can see what I'm doing. So I'll be right back.
Hey, keep me where the light is, keep me where the brightest. 2 left feet, can you show me where the ride is? I've been on the low side, I've been on the high side. Think I need to get out, find me in the high tide. Get out of the Wi-Fi, get out of the timeline. I don't need a limelight, just a line of my time. Take me to that real life, take me for a lifetime. I've been in the dark for way too long. Will you keep me where the light is? Keep me where the light is. Keep me where the light is. Keep me where the light is. Will you keep me where the...
Oh, okay, I'm done blow drying my hair. It's okay. My ends are terrible. So basically what I did was I used it on the medium heat, and at first I used it at like, oops, sorry. At first I used it on medium speed, but I got lazy and I used it on high speed. So it was medium heat, high speed majority of the time, and that worked well. As you saw, I went through with my comb when it was wet, and then I went through with my dimming brush to detangle it when it was kind of dry. And now it's time to start the twist. I'm going to clean my part and make it neater down the middle. That's not neat. Okay, that's better. There's my part. Not completely down the middle, just semi. I can separate my hair. Okay, so I don't really care about the parts in the back. But in the back, it doesn't really matter because it's the back. Nobody really sees the back. Everybody sees the front. The front is what's important. So I'm gonna get this side. First off, I'm about to burst this. Same thing for this side. And I'm gonna start with, I'm gonna see test out the sizes and see. I guess that's too big. That's small enough for now. I'll put this up. And so I'm gonna be using 2 gels. This is the Coily Custard by Miss Jessie's, and this is the Style Factor Edge Booster Gel. Now, I have a feeling I might run out of this. Hopefully not. I'm gonna use a small amount of this, and if I run out of this, I'm gonna start using this. So I'm gonna get a very small amount because I don't want my hair to revert back. And the reason why I blow dry my hair in the first place is because I want my twists to be longer. I don't want those short twists. So I'm about to use like that much. Put it on the section. Hopefully it doesn't shrink up. If it shrinks up, I'm gonna cry because it shrunk. That was too much already. Well, it's the back, so it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna start twisting it. I make the twist really, really, really tight and taut because I don't like loose, sloppy twists. So that's just me. And I coil the ends. Let me get a little gel and put some gel at the end. I coil the, ooh, that actually needs to be cut. That needs to be cut. Okay, 3 hours later and I'm done with my hair. This is it. It's better than some of my past attempts. This is way longer, so I'm gonna start blow drying my hair out before I start doing twists. Even though I wouldn't do this all the time, I like it. It's just that it takes too long to do this, y'all. That's basically the end of this video. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below. Check out more natural hair videos. Check out my social media. My main Instagram account is Taylor Marie. My spam Instagram account is Thickum 2.0, and my Snapchat is Taxler. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.